It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Honda Civic EX. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Civic. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, and the power trunk release. To the left of the steering wheel, we have forward collision alert, traction control, and lane departure alert. A power adjustable driver's seat with a cloth interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in, and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio controls and voice commands, and on the right side we have our cruise control buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above we have the power sunroof buttons, some interior light buttons. Next we have the Honda infotainment center. This touch screen displays the time. It's got our audio controls. We're able to pair a phone to it, and it also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some no-slip matting. Here we have the brake hold, park brake, and econ mode. At the front of the Civic, we have LED headlamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood, front and rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that black button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and next I'll open up the trunk here. Our trunk has plenty of cargo storage space and a spare tire compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger car. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The back of the front passenger seat has a seat pocket, and the middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. So come take a look at the 2019 Honda Civic EX, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at WesternGMCBuick.com.